So what's the fastest way to improve your trading and to make more progress? Well, in the next 2 minutes, I'm going to argue that the power of community is one of the most important aspects of speeding up your trading progression. So the first key element of community that I want to talk about is the alignment of your goals. I have some stats here that are based on business goals or corporate goals, but I'm going to go ahead and assume that you understand that your trading is a business and you are the CEO of that business. So the first statistic I have here is 97% of employees and executives believe that lack of alignment within a team impacts the outcome of a task or a project. And that's by McKinsey, one of the largest consulting firms in the world. The next stat is only 5.9% of companies communicate goals daily. So I want to ask you, what do you think about this? What do you think is going to yield more results if we compare working alone as an individual, not sharing your goals with anyone, nobody else cares if you achieve your goals or not, nobody's checking in on you. So how would you perform in that situation versus communicating your goals on a daily basis to somebody who shares the same overarching goal? It's kind of a no-brainer in my opinion. The next important element of community is collaborative or iterative ideas. So essentially, this is just not reinventing the wheel and using somebody's wheel if they have a great wheel. So Ray Dalio has a quote, and he says, "Two people who collaborate well will be about 3 times as effective as each of them operating independently, because each will see what the other might miss, plus they can leverage each other's strengths while holding each other accountable to the highest standards." So in trading, there's a lot of elements. There's statistics, there's research, there's technical analysis, there's fundamental analysis, there's market sentiment, there's Twitter, there's inputs from, politicians and that type of thing. Everybody has their own, cup of tea or, couple cups of tea that they're good at. And if you go about this as an individual, you're just going to be outperformed by those who are working collaboratively and in groups. And the last part of Ray's quote, and the most important topic I want to touch on, is accountability. Accountability is the key to getting to the next level. The truth is, you know it, I know it, you will show up for other people in moments that you won't show up for yourself. If nobody else cares whether you do your pre-market or not, then when you're a little bit tired, you'll just stay in bed until the market opens. If you haven't committed to somebody else that you're going to do post-market journaling every day, then when you have a rough trading day, you're not going to journal. The commitment and accountability aspect of a community is one of the most underrated tools and one of the most effective tools that you can have in your arsenal as a trader. If you're searching for that community of traders that are aligned on the same goals that you have, if you're looking to collaborate and build upon each other's ideas, and especially if you're looking for a group to build a relationship with and hold you accountable in your trading, I would highly recommend checking out Convergent Trading. And you can find out more about our community at convergenttrading.com.